Extinction of animals. Extinction is the process of evolution that leads to the disappearance of a population or species. When a species becomes extinct, all its genetic heritage is lost. Over 99% of all the species that once lived on the earth, amounting to over 5 billion species, are estimated to be extinct. There are many reasons that make an animal extinct, such as destruction of habitat, pollution, hunting, high genetic vulnerability, diseases, and low birth rates are the main causes of extinction. Paleontology experts have discovered 5 great mass extinctions in the last 500 million years ago. During these great extinctions, 75 to 95% of the total number of species is believed to have gone lost. There have been 5 mass extinction events in the Earth's history. Cretaceous Paleogene extinction, Triassic Jurassic extinction, Permian Triassic extinction, Late Devonian extinction, Ordovician Silurian extinction. Let's learn about extinct animals. When an entire species of animal dies out, that species is extinct. Once it becomes extinct, it is gone forever. Some extinct animals are dinosaur. Dinosaurs are a type of ancient reptiles that lived millions of years ago all over the world. The last dinosaur is known from about 65 million years ago. Their extinction is still a scientific mystery. The extinction of dinosaurs is officially known as Cretaceous tertiary extinction. This extinction event is widely believed to have been caused by massive asteroid or comet impact. Mammuthus primigenius, woolly mammoth. It is very similar to the modern elephant. They lived in cold places and became extinct due to the harsh climate and hunting. Majority of the woolly mammoth died out at the end of the last ice age, about 10,000 years ago. Arctodus species, short-faced bear. Short-faced bears lived in open grassland and in woodland. It was the most powerful land carnivore in North America during the Ice Age. It may have weighed about 700 kilograms. Also, their limbs were longer and more slender. It became extinct about 11,000 years ago due to the poultry and too much hunting. Megaloceros giganteus, Irish elk. It is one of the largest deer ever and about 6.9 feet tall. Some scientists say that Irish elk finally went extinct when the antlers became so large that the animals could no longer hold up their heads or got entangled in the trees that led to their extinction. Smilodon populator, saber-toothed cat. It is very similar in size to modern African lions. It is a cat-like carnivore. Scientists theorize that environmental change, decline in prey population, and human activity lead to the death of saber-toothed cats, and they became extinct around 10,000 years ago. Last 500 years ago, humans hunted lots of animals and it led to extinction, which include dodo, great auk, elephant bird, quagga, passenger pigeon, Pyrenean ibex, West African black rhinoceros. Ectopistis migratorius, passenger pigeon. Passenger pigeon is an extinct species of pigeon that is endemic to North America. They were hunted by Native Americans, but after the arrival of Europeans, the hunting intensified. Before their arrival, there were about 3 to 5 billion passenger pigeons. By the end of 1800, passenger pigeons were driven to extinction by hunting for their mates. In 1914, the last non-passenger pigeon female named Martha died. Equus quagga quagga. Quagga is a recently extinct zebra. It was a plain zebra found in South Africa that went extinct in the late 19th century. Quagga looks like a mixture of both zebra and horse. It became extinct in the year 1883 due to hunting. Quagga are herbivores, wild grass eating animal, were perceived by the settlers as competitors for their sheep, goats, and other livestock. The quagga was lost over a century ago as a direct result of overhunting, habitat destruction, lack of food, etc. They were valuable for their meat. Rhesus cuculatus, doodoo. Doodoo is an extinct flightless bird. It only lived on the island Mauritius. When the sailors arrived in the 16th century, they started to catch doodoo. After people started settling in Mauritius, the natural habitat was almost completely destroyed. Finally, doodoo was extinct by 1681 due to habitat destruction and its egg prey to new predators. Siderzilon grandiflorum, known as doodoo tree, which are native to Mauritius. Both the tree and doodoo bird were involved in the mutualistic relationship. The fact that Siderzilon grandiflorum tree evolved in the thick shell so it could protect the seed inside while it passed through a doodoo's gizzard. Then after digestion, it would be easier for the seed to germinate. Finally, doodoo's extinction led to the tree's extinction from the world. Thylacynus cynocephalus, Tasmanian tiger. The Tasmanian tiger was the largest carnivorous marsupial. It is called Tasmanian tiger because of the stripes on its lower back. It became extinct in the year 1936 due to hunting by humans as well as competition with other predators such as dogs, etc. Other factors include habitat loss and diseases. Incilius peregrinus, golden toad. Golden toad was the first species to become extinct as a direct result of climate change. The golden toad was last seen in the year 1989 in the Costa Rica cloud forest Monteverde. Finally, in 2004, the IUCN declared the golden toad extinct. Researchers recently discovered that the chytrid fungus as the likely cause of extinction for the golden toad. Fungi in the genus Batrachochytrium, also known as chytrid, was causing a fatal disease called chytridiomycosis. Over time, the golden toad has become a symbol of extinction and the amphibian biodiversity crisis. Capra pyrenaeca pyrenaeca, Pyrenean ibex. Pyrenean ibex were very abundant with a population of 50,000, but this dropped to about 100 in 1900s. Their extinction is unknown. Scientists hypothesize that some different factors contributed to the decline of the species, including poaching, diseases, and competition with the other domestic and wild animals for food and habitat, etc. Pyrenean ibex was extinct very recently in the year 2000. Lipodes vexillifer by G. Baiji are similar to river dolphins. Females are larger than males. The baiji had a stalk body with broad rounded flippers. The baiji was declared extinct in December 2006 due to the use of fishing nets and hooks that snag and drown the dolphins as by catch. And other causes include habitat destruction. Several species are in danger of extinction. The main threats include pollution, subsistence hunting, industrial development, dam construction, riverbank deforestation, overfishing, etc. Decorus bicornus longipes, Western black rhinoceros. Western black rhinoceros are one of the third largest rhinoceros. It was officially declared extinct in 2011. Their extinction was caused mainly by poachers killing them for their horns, which are highly priced on the black market, and these horns are used in traditional Chinese medicine, which finally led to their extinction. Melomys rubicola, bramble K melomys. It is also called bramble K mosaic-tailed rat. It is one of the first mammalian species that became recently extinct from the world due to the climatic change effects. The decrease in flora likely led to the rodent's demise. It was declared extinct by the IUCN in the year 2019. Conclusion: every single animal on the planet is an important component to the balance of our ecosystem in different ways. They keep our planet in the order it should be. We humans are the main causes of extinction. So it is important to remember to take care of animals we have today and their environment.